Is Graco Extend2Fit FAA approved? Full travel guide for parents. Yes, the Graco Extend2Fit car seat is FAA approved for aircraft use, indicated by a sticker on the seat, but only when used with the built-in 5-point harness and installed forward-facing on an aircraft seat, as booster mode isn't certified for planes. Always check your specific airline's policies before flying. Key points for air travel. Look for the sticker. Find the label on the back or side of the seat that says, "This restraint is certified for use in motor vehicles and aircraft." Use the harness. The seat is only approved for aircraft when the harness is used. Booster mode, without the harness, is not approved for planes. Forward-facing only. Generally, while some manuals might mention rear-facing, many users and sources suggest forward-facing on a window seat for easier fit and airline compliance. Check airline policy. Always contact your airline directly before flying, as they have specific rules on car seat types, sizes, and placement. Window seat recommended. The window seat is generally the best and safest spot for a car seat on a plane.